fact, 1.5-inch wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All force are transmitted through each vehicle hub and each corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any 1.5-inch wheel spacers that are installed. Generally, half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nuts can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These 1.5-inch wheel spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality 1.5-inch wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many 1.5-inch wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum 1.5-inch wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best 1.5-inch wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the 1.5-inch wheel spacers, and the safer your journey will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling 1.5-inch wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of 1.5-inch wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling 1.5-inch wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind.